Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have the heaviest Degustabox I've ever had in my life. This came like 3 days ago and I've just not had a chance to film it. Degustabox is a monthly food snack subscription box. I pay for this myself. It's not PR. You get a text to say when it's coming via courier. They give you an hour slot. I think it's $12.99. I do have a discount code, but everybody that signs up get a discount code. That is nothing to do with PR or anything. It is me personally. I pay for it myself. But yeah, if you sign up, you'll get a discount code as well. So it's like this. I will do a quick disclaimer, as I do on every single Degustabox video. If you are somebody who goes to 10 different supermarkets a week to get the best bargains, you might not like this box, because if there's something in it, in Tesco's cost them £4, but you know in Asda at the moment it's £1, they're going to say it's worth £4, even though you and me know we can get it for £1 in Asda. So they will say things are worth more even if you know you can get them cheaper elsewhere. The highest price they can find it is what they will say it is worth. So they might say the box is worth £30, but you know that you can get at least £10 off things, so you're going to say, well, it's actually only worth £20. You may not like it. If you aren't somebody that likes to try lots of new random things, you probably won't like it either. Oh, excuse me, I just had some kombucha for the first time and it was delicious, but it is making me burp more than usual. So yeah, I will just get into this and show you guys the box. There is a theme every month. This month's theme is UK versus international. So let's see. First thing I've got is some brioche pasquier pancakes. I'm new. And it is a bag of pancakes. Where are you? £1.65. Our new twin wrap pancakes are great at home or on the go. Either cover with blueberries and syrup for a late morning brunch, or grab a bag for your lunchbox. It has a short expiry, it says on it. 26th of April, and today is the 18th, so we've got a little while. My kids will absolutely smash those. Next up, oh, I was looking for something like this. Dorset cereal. This is £4.15. This is absolutely fucking ridiculous. Nobody pays £4.15 for a box of granola. This is crunchy almonds, hazelnuts and cashews. Make this a rather special nutty granola, and it sounds delicious. Absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Crunchy cashews, roasted hazelnuts, sweet almonds, gently baked with jumbo oats and golden syrup. Get in my face. But 45-gram portion. So it says there's 10 portions in here. And I bet you literally get like a tablespoon for 45 grams because the nuts are so heavy. Made with crunchy cashews, I've already said it all. We call it breakfast on the slow, and we would love for you to join us. Delicious. No one's paying that for them. Next, I've got Gunner drinks with a monkey on. I love the packaging. This is £1.50. Ginger lemonade. I'm not going to open this because I hate the taste of ginger unless it's like a gingerbread. I don't like it in food or drinks. Our mission is to battle the bland and bring customers healthier alternatives. Our drinks contain less than 5% sugar, fewer calories and no artificial colours or preservatives. I'm sure Ben will love this. I'll take it downstairs in a minute and he can have it. I'll let you know on the screen what he thinks of it. Aero dark and milk. I'm so happy everyone, all the big brands are like jumping on the dark chocolate wagon, because dark chocolate's my favourite. Aero dark and milk sounds bloody amazing. This is £1. It's just an Aero, but it's dark chocolate. I can't be bothered to go into the details. I want to look at it. It's just an Aero, but it's dark chocolate. I've not had an Aero in years because I don't like their milk chocolate. Oh, it smells good. It is good. That is yummy. A really nice dark chocolate. Aeros supports improving the lives of cocoa farmers and the quality of cocoa through the Nestle Cocoa Plan by working with the Rainforest Alliance. So that's nice. That is delicious. Next, I've got Hobnob Sticky Toffee Pudding flavour. They look nice. I'm not going to open them. What is American so far? Or international? I don't know. I'm confused. Where are you? So you either get chocolate brownie or sticky toffee pudding, £1.59, and it's just McVitie's McVitie's Hobnobs, just in a new flavour. I will put these in our family biscuit tin, and I'm sure the kids will love them. But I don't want one now, just because that dark chocolate is so nice and it tastes delicious. Next, I've got Get More Vits, Still Mango and Passion Fruit Vitamin D Water. That's nice. We'll give that a go. We all need more vitamin D in our lives. Get More Vits Mango and Passion Fruit Vitamin D. Taste it's a tasty and convenient way to increase your vitamin D levels. Natural spring water. Has your daily dose of vitamin D per bottle. It's low calorie and sugar free. Let's have a little try. Oh, oh, it tastes okay. The smell is horrible, but the taste is fine. It'd be better if it's cold. That's nice. Next up, I've got a noodle pot. Charcoal noodles with epic mushroom. That sounds gross. I tried some black spaghetti that was like black bean spaghetti, and that was fucking horrible. I really wanted to like that because I love black beans, but it was horrid. Noodle Plus is a range of delicious noodles. £2.50. No. All our products are high in protein and high in fibre. Our noodles are coloured with natural extracts that will give you... Oh, so they're not... There's just noodles that have been coloured black. So it's not like black bean ones. Charcoal noodles in a mushroom sauce with spring onion, mushroom slices and cauliflower florets. Oh, if it didn't have mushrooms in it, I'd eat it. I might try it. I might not. It looks a bit gross, but we'll see. Next up, I've got Japanese teriyaki jasmine rice. £1.59. Elevate your plate in a flash with this new limited edition from Tilda. Sweet teriyaki flavours. Sticky jasmine grains combined with spring onions and crunchy water chestnuts for a delicious bold taste of Japan. Ben will love that. He takes all these kind of things that I get in these boxes to work. Next, I've got Get More Vits multivitamin vitamins. So I've got two things from Get More Vits. Get More Vits chewing gum is the innovative way to freshen your breath while topping up on your vitamins. Peppermint or spearmint, each piece of gum is 25% of your daily dose of vitamins. That's quite clever. It's quite a clever idea. And it's got vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, C, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, and vitamin B12 and biotin. So, interesting. Next, I've got a dark chocolate and orange almond bar. That sounds bloody amazing. An iconic UK flavour, just done better, a little less round. Better for you and your taste buds. Drizzled in dark chocolate with a hint of zesty orange peel, with our almonds are our #1 classic ingredient. So it's a kind bar. That sounds incredible. I'm going to put that next to my bed because that is a me snack that I don't want to share with anyone else. Are you broken? No. I've got... Oh, Ben will be excited for this one. This is Chipotle. Or Chipotle. I'm pretty sure it's Chipotle. I think Ben's dad calls it Chipotle. Very lazy paste. That is awesome. I love things like this. So that will go in my pantry. £2. Very lazy paste. Gives your dishes a spicy kick with a deep smoky twist. Awesome. And then the last thing in here, I think there's another one for Ben. And it is, ooh, Kentucky habanero with whiskey hot sauce, bullseye. If I hadn't just eaten that chocolate, I'd try some now, but I do not think it will taste nice with chocolate. $1.99. Again, we are a hot sauce family. We're trying to get the kids more into it, but they're being weaners at the moment and don't want to try anything. This one's hot. For those in search of firepower, this fruity habanero chili is cooked with a dash of whiskey to pack the heat. Expect bold, sweet aromas from the Kentucky twang. Ooh. I want to smell it. I'm not going to try it. I just want to smell it. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells a bit like peri peri. That smells absolutely delicious. I'm very excited to try that one. I'll put it on the screen how it is. I think that was a really good box. I have spent many times slagging off Degustabox. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I'm not always nice to them because I feel like sometimes they're shit. But I feel like recently they've been really good. So I'm super happy with that. What do you think? Let me know. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.